After numerous calls and emails, the Cameron Park Community Services District is apologizing for the Firefighter Association's raffle over the weekend, featuring this AR-15.
We realized that raffle was probably not timed well, and we sincerely apologized for the insensitivity of that raffle.
The district meant no harm, but says in light of last week's mass shooting in Parkland, Florida, they should have taken the weapon, similar to the one used in the mass shooting, off the table.
I went there to eat crab. I didn't go there to look at a gun that would so deeply affect me.
The women who walked out of the event and brought the concern to our attention are now responding to the district's apology.
I'm happy to hear that they issued one so quickly.
The district is now considering whether they'll raffle off guns in the future.
The gun raffle has happened every year, and so it's not anything that we have done differently this year, but certainly moving ahead, it needs to be reevaluated.
The women say they still support the fire department and thank them for their hard work. They just don't support these type of firearms.
I think it's time that we start talking about these weapons and what they are, which is killing machines. And there's a difference. There's a difference between AR-15s and a handgun.
In El Dorado County, Dana Griffin, KCRA 3 News.